Hi, this is the bonus that talks about integrating the left brain and the right brain. Now, I know that is an oversimplification, but what we're talking about is having the part of your brain that is kind of analytical and mathematical and linear integrated with the part that is more intuitive and creative. So there are a number of things that you can do. One of the ones that I talk about in the book is a very simple exercise that simply involves marching in place, but as you do, your left hand goes and hits your right knee, and your right knee hits your left hand, and so on. I've just reversed that, but that's the idea. That's as simple as that. You do that for a while, and as simple as it is, that starts to get those things integrated. Now, another one is a little more difficult. I'm going to give it a try here. Let's see what happens. Problem is that in the book I recommend using a ball. I don't happen to have a ball handy, so I'm using an apple. And what you do is extend your hands, and then you simply throw the ball, or the apple in this case, from one hand to the next. So far, so easy. Then you start looking up instead of looking at the object, and then you close your eyes, and you keep doing that. And if you lose it, you start over. And it's as easy as that and as difficult as that. Okay, I'm not going to go on, but it does get a little bit easier as you go on. Now, there are a couple of other tips I want to give you. One that you can do is to find a drawing, a fairly simple line drawing, and you have two pieces of paper in addition to the drawing. You can use Picasso or anything you want, anything you've got in a book of art, for example, and you start copying it the normal way. And then you turn the drawing upside down and you copy it that way. And then you turn it back again. You continue by alternating the picture and drawing one version looking at the picture the right side up and one version looking at the picture upside down. And the thing is, when you're looking at the picture the normal way and trying to draw it, your analytical mind is saying, okay, here's a face, so I'm now drawing a face, here's a vase, or here's a window, or whatever it might be. And when you turn it upside down, those objects become a bunch of lines, and you copy the lines instead. So you're not always categorizing what it is. And what may surprise you is when you finish both versions of the drawing, those copies, and you look at them, you probably will find that the one you did from the upside down model is actually better, because you're copying what is there, not what you think should be there. Another very simple physical exercise to do is simply alternate breathing through your nose. So you close one side of your nose, one nostril, makes you sound nasal, and breathe in, and then close the other one, and slowly breathe out. So those are some tips for ways to integrate the lobes of your brain. Have fun with them.